What is the process for scheduling an online appointment for Social Security?
Hello everyone, and welcome to today's video on scheduling an online appointment for Social Security. In this video, we will walk you through the process of scheduling an appointment conveniently from the comfort of your own home. So, let's get started.
Why schedule an online appointment?
Before we dive into the process, let's quickly discuss why scheduling an online appointment for Social Security can be beneficial. Scheduling an appointment online saves you time and allows you to avoid long wait times at local offices. It also offers flexibility, as you can choose a date and time that works best for you. Additionally, during the ongoing COVID-19 pandemic, scheduling online appointments helps maintain social distancing and ensures your safety.
Steps to schedule an online appointment.
Now, let's go over the step-by-step process for scheduling an online appointment for Social Security. Follow these simple steps. 1. Visit the official Social Security Administration (SSA) website. Open your web browser and go to the SSA's official website. You can easily find it by searching for Social Security Administration in your preferred search engine. 2. Navigate to the Contact Us or Appointments section. Once you're on the SSA website, look for the Contact Us or Appointments section. The location of this section may vary slightly depending on the website's design, but it is usually located in the main menu or on the homepage. 3. Select Schedule an Appointment in the Contact Us or Appointments section. You will find various options for different services. Look for the option that allows you to schedule an appointment and click on it. 4. Choose the type of appointment. Depending on your specific needs, you will be presented with a list of appointment types. Common options may include retirement benefits, disability benefits, Medicare, or general inquiries. Select the appropriate option for your situation. 5. Provide necessary information. Next, you will be prompted to provide some personal information, such as your name, social security number, contact details, and the reason for your appointment. Ensure that you enter all the requested information accurately. 6. Select a date and time. Once you have provided the necessary information, you will be presented with a calendar to choose a date and time for your appointment. Select a convenient date and time that works best for you. Keep in mind that appointment availability may vary depending on your location and the demand for appointments. 7. Review and confirm your appointment. After selecting a date and time, review the appointment details to ensure everything is correct. If everything looks good, proceed to confirm your appointment. You may receive a confirmation email or reference number for your records.
Preparing for your online appointment.
Before your scheduled online appointment, it's important to be prepared. Here are a few things to keep in mind. Gather any necessary documents. Depending on the purpose of your appointment, you may need to have certain documents ready, such as identification, social security card, birth certificate, or medical records. Check the requirements for your specific appointment and gather the necessary documents beforehand. Ensure a stable internet connection. Make sure you have a reliable and stable internet connection for your online appointment. This will help avoid any technical issues and ensure a smooth interaction with the Social Security representative. Prepare any questions or concerns. If you have specific questions or concerns related to your Social Security benefits or any other relevant matters, write them down beforehand. This will help you stay organized and ensure you address all your concerns during the appointment. That's it. You've now learned the process for scheduling.